Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Shark Gaming tablet, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we need to find the apps. Then let's scroll all the way down to find special app access, and here localize the option install unknown apps. So here we've got the apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. So just tap on the app and tap on the switcher next to allow from this source. After getting back, you can see that the Chrome is now allowed to install something. Be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher again, and the Chrome is now not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.